Let's begin by finding a comfortable position for you. Gently close your eyes. Now, direct your attention to your breath. Feel how it flows naturally, allowing a sense of expansion with each breath you take. With every exhale, let your body relax and release a little more. Focus on feeling your stomach and chest expanding as you inhale. Notice how your abdomen gently contracts as you release the air. Now, direct your attention to the inner core of your being and tune into the sensation of flow that is present within you. Pay close attention to your ability to connect with the flow of the universe through your breath, in tune with the cycle of life, nature, and all its perfection. Just as the moon goes through phases that influence tides and the seasons bring changes and transformations, we too are subject to these fluctuations. In our own lives, we experience cycles. Allow life to flow naturally and pleasantly surprise you. Today, choose the path of non-resistance. Picture yourself in a boat drifting down a river, where you can lift the oars and let the current carry you forward, or you can struggle against the current, constantly rowing. Opt to flow with the current, trusting in the flow of life rather than resisting and exerting constant effort against it. What do you prefer, traveling with ease in your life, flowing in harmony with the cycles, or traveling with resistance, struggling and exerting effort at all costs? Observe in your body which option feels better to you. Naturally, we tend to align ourselves with the feeling of desiring ease, even if it is unfamiliar to us most of the time. Perhaps you have learned or experienced that everything in life is difficult, and sometimes you even get startled when things happen easily. However, life is meant to be easy. Feel the harmonious flow that permeates the planet. Everything has been designed to work perfectly well. In life, everything flows naturally. Everything is easy and safe for you to lift the oars and allow the boat to carry you along the river of life, without the need to force anything. Today, just for today, everything is possible when you allow yourself to go with the current, effortlessly sailing while fully trusting in life. Allow yourself to be surprised by life, even today. Observe the nature around you and trust the planet. Trust in the universal wisdom that guides everything. Remember that everything that happens is for your highest good. Trust the universe completely. When you choose to let go and allow whatever comes your way to be embraced with love, everything turns out well in the end. As we observe nature giving way to cycles, we find ourselves in a position of ease. Transitions no longer become daunting, they become as natural as the act of breathing. You have every right to be in a state of flow, flowing with life and experiencing ease. Know that you are supported in this. The laws of the universe are on your side, supporting you with ease and grace. When you decide to let go and allow the most loving outcome to manifest, regardless of what it may be, and let go of the notion that you know what's best, you trust the universe, and everything falls into place perfectly. Look at everything through the eyes of love and well-being. Don't force anything, just let it be. Recognize your power and your ability to remain firmly rooted in who you truly are. You live in a loving universe, in which you can trust wholeheartedly. Feel a sense of non-resistance towards what is to come, embracing life with love and open arms, trusting that only your most loving good is the next outcome. Affirm with conviction, I was born to thrive. You were born to be happy, so confidently declare, I was born to be happy. You always experience the best, so state with certainty, I experience the best. You allow life to surprise you, so affirm, I let life surprise me. Feel that powerful force within you, open your eyes, and smile. Enjoy your day and be happy.